And we are live. Who's going to be the first to join? We are live. We are live, guys. Who's going to be the first to join? Hello, CS. Oh, you see my live, guys. Who's going to be the first to join? Hello, CS. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, Matt, for liking. Guys, why has my screen gone blank? Thank you, Matt, for liking. Guys, can you see that now? Thank you, Matt, for liking. Guys, can you see that now? Can you hear me? Thank you, Matt, for liking. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, welcome, guys. Yeah, sorry for coming on here. Obviously, like a bit actually random today, but I thought I'd come on here just to do a bit of like extra maths revision. Okay, we're gonna look at a higher tier, like White Rose maths paper for AQA. Okay, but it's also appropriate for other examples as well. Okay, we're gonna look at some questions. Okay, thank you, Matt, for liking. Thanks so much for liking. Okay, we'll start, guys, when we hit like 1K likes. Guys, any gifts here are more than obviously welcome today. Okay. I think I need roughly around 60 to 70 roses, I think, to withdraw my TikTok funds. I think, yeah, for this week, actually, yeah, for this week. So if they're able to smash, I think, yeah, 60 or 70 roses tonight, then I can get my TikTok funds. But if not, not to worry, guys. Hello, Marla. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Thank you, Matt, for liking. I appreciate that. Thank you, Matt, for liking. I appreciate that, my friend. Hello, CS. Welcome back. Thank you, Matt, for liking. Thanks so much. And thank you, CS, for liking. Thank you, Matt and CS, for liking. Hello, Misty Clouds. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Hope it's been a good day, guys. I hope it's been a good day for you all. Hello, and Jean. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, Matt, for liking. Hello, King Cantona. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, Matt, for liking. Right, guys, we've smashed 1K likes. We shall make a start, guys. Okay, so in today's live, we're looking at GCSE practice paper here for AQA. Okay, it's for the November 2022 exam. Okay, but it's also appropriate revision for Edexcel higher, OCR higher, and also AQA higher. Okay, for this year's exam. Okay, so starting with question number one, guys. Okay, so I'll give you a few minutes. Okay, to try the first four questions, okay, and then we'll share some answers, okay? So I'll give you a few minutes here to give the questions a go. Thank you, Matt, for liking. Thank you, Matt, for liking, okay? And then we'll share some answers, okay, in a few minutes, okay? Thank you, CS. Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Hello, I hope you're well. Hello, Nimo. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're well. Hello, my friend. Welcome back. Hello, hello. Hope you're well. Okay. I hope you're well, my friend. Yeah, hope you're well. Okay. Thank you for liking. Thank you for liking it. So, give these questions a go, guys, and then in roughly 2 minutes time actually, because obviously it's the first few questions. We will share some answers. Okay, so give these questions a go. Okay, write them down. Okay, so this is from you. So this is just another practice paper from White Rose Maths. Okay, for AQA higher tier. Okay, for that. Okay, higher tier. Okay, for that. Okay. Hello, Chloe. Welcome, welcome. Hello. I hope you're well, Chloe. Hello, nice to. Hello, Kayla. Welcome. Nice to be on the call. Right, guys. I'll give you like another minute or so, and then we'll share some answers. Okay. Hello, Dean. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, my friend. I hope you're well. Guys, if you're new around here, make sure you press that follow button, please. Okay, if you can. Oh, we got a poll going. What is the poll saying? Can we get to 5k likes? Nice one, guys. Right, so we will make a start, guys, on these questions, okay? So, question number one, work out the value of -4 times 3. So, a negative times a positive makes a negative. 4 times 3 is going to be 12. So, the answer is going to be -12 or -12. Okay, so I'm going to circle -12 or -12. That's my answer for question number one. Well done, Lavina. Well done. Okay, hello, Shahida. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're well, Shahida. Nice to be on the call. Guys, if you're new around here, make sure you press that follow button, please, if you can. Okay, well done. Hello, Lena. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Okay, question number two. Circle the fraction that is equivalent to 0.05. So it's looking at your place value. Okay, so the 5 is in the hundredths column. So it's equal to, well done, Lavinda. Yep, that is correct. So it'd be 5 hundredths. Okay, because 5 is in the hundredths column. Okay, I can simplify this fraction, dividing top and bottom by 5, and I get 1/20th. Okay, so that's my answer for question number two. Okay, so again, for higher and also for foundation, guys, yeah, please revise your fraction, decimal, and percentage, okay, conversions, okay, for that, okay. Another way of doing it is to change it to a percentage by timesing it by 100. Okay, so 0.05 as a percentage will be 5%. Okay, I've just actually started now, actually, Lena. Yeah, I've literally just actually started now. I started, yeah, about like 5 minutes ago. Yeah, so I've just literally started now the live. Okay, so it'd be 5%. Percent means out of 100, so it'd be 500ths, okay, which is 1/20th. Okay, next question, guys. Circle the decimal that is equivalent to 12 tenths. Okay, so 12 divided by 10. Okay, well done, Lavinda. Yep, that is correct. Yep, spot on. Okay. Ah, okay, bless you, Lena. Yeah, no worries, Lena. No worries. No worries, yeah, no worries. Yeah, no worries. Not a problem. Okay. So 12 divided by 10 is equal to 1.2. Okay, well done, Lavinda. That is correct. Yes. Good work. Okay. Okay, next question. Okay. So looking at some inequalities, okay, so looking at some, yeah, double inequalities here, we say here, or compound inequalities. Circle the inequality, okay, that is shown on the number line. So it's filled in here and it's not filled in here. So the answer is going to be -3 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 4. Okay, so that is going to be my answer. Now, why is this? Well, if it's filled in, then it's equal to that number. If it's not filled in, then it's either greater than or less than that number. Okay, so it's greater than -3 and smaller than or equal to +4. Okay, so there's more ink on the page. It's got the equal sign. If it's less ink on the page, it doesn't have an equal sign. Okay, that's my answer for that. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Well done, Lavinda. Yes, good work. Yes, well done, Lavinda. Good job. Okay. Right. So I'll give you 5 seconds to screenshot. Okay. Five, four, three, two, one. Okay. Moving on now. Okay. Next question. Okay. So question number 5. It says work out 5 cubed subtract the square root of 16. And this is actually higher actually live in the year. So this is actually higher tier actually live in the year. Sorry, yeah. This is actually higher tier, okay? It's from the White Rose Maths actually website, yeah. So it's a practice paper, equate higher, okay, non-calculator, okay? Oh, bless you, Lena, bless you. Yeah, yeah, I hear that. Bless you. Yeah. I hope it actually goes well for you, Lena. Okay, right. So work out 5 cubed, subtract the square root of 16. So 5 cubed means 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, no worries, Lena, no worries. Hello, 4 stroke, welcome, my friend. Which could be 125. Okay, the square root of 16 is going to equal to 4. Okay, so 125 subtract 4 is going to be 121. Okay, it's 125. Take away 4, which is 121. Hello, Maisie. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Okay. This is actually higher, actually, Maisie. Yeah. So this is actually a higher tier paper, actually. Yeah. But the first few questions will actually be relevant next year. So the first maybe like 6, 7 questions will be relevant for foundation as well. Okay. So this is the paper actually for today, guys. Okay. No worries, no worries. Hello, Sirius. Welcome, welcome. Or Sirius. Welcome, my friend. Guys, if you're new around here, please, guys, yeah, press that follow button, guys. Okay? If you're new around here, press that follow button, yeah, and check out the content on my page, okay? But press that follow button, guys, actually, if you can, okay? So that's question 1 to 4 done. Okay, question 5 done. What about question 6, guys? The straight line graph shows the volume, okay, V in liters of water in a tank at time t in minutes. Okay, part A, work out the gradient of this line. So the gradient, okay, is how steep the line is. So to work out the gradient, it's the change in y over the change in x. Okay, so let's pick 2 points. So we'll pick this one here. So we'll pick 0, 5, and then we'll pick 15 and 10. Okay, so we got 0, 5. Thank you, Maisie, for liking. Thanks so much, yeah, Maisie, for liking. Okay, so 0, 5, and then we've got 15 and 20. Okay, so to work out the gradient, it's the difference in my y coordinates divided by the difference in my x coordinates. Okay, yeah, no worries, no worries, Lena, no worries, Lena, no worries. Okay, thank you for actually coming by, Lena. I appreciate that. Okay, so 20 minus 5 is going to be 15, divided by 15 minus 0, which would be 15. So it's 15 fifteenths, which is equal to 1. So the gradient is equal to 1. Okay, for that. Okay, what does the gradient represent? Well, the gradient represents, okay, the change in volume, okay, of water in a tank, okay, at T time, okay. So the change, so the rate of change, okay, rate of change, okay, of water, okay, with respect to time, okay. Thank you, Maisie, for liking to time, okay. There we go, okay. Right, guys, 5 seconds to screenshot. Hello, hello, Letitia. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, moving on. Okay, next question. Sharing in a given ratio. Again, another hot topic here. Okay, for higher tier and also for foundation. Okay, question number 7. Dexter and Kim share £840 in the ratio 5-7. How much money does Dexter get? Okay, so if you look here, okay, Dexter gets 5/12 of that amount. Okay, so Dexter gets, hello Kylie, welcome, welcome. Okay, so Dexter gets 5/12 of 840. Okay, so a fraction of an amount. Okay, divide by the bottom and times by the top. Okay, so 840 divided by 12. So using the bus stop method, because yeah, because it is actually a non-calculator paper. Okay, 12s into 8 I can't do. 12 into 84 goes 7 times. Okay, and then a remainder of 0, and then 12 into 0 goes 0 times. Okay, and then I'm going to times that by 5. So 5 lots of 70. Okay, which is well done. Yep, well done, Caddy. Yep, that is correct, Caddy. Well done, Caddy. Good work. Yes, good job, Caddy. Well done. Okay, which equals 350k. Well done, Kylie. Yes, good job. Okay, so Dexter gets £350. Okay, again, this topic. Okay, yeah, no worries, Lavinda. No worries, no worries. Thank you for coming in, though. I appreciate that, Lavinda. Thank you for coming in. I appreciate that. Okay, does that make sense, Kylie? Does that make sense, guys? Okay, so this topic here is sharing in a given ratio. Okay, awesome, awesome. Right, next question. Okay, looking at some two-way tables here. So 50 students are asked if they walk to school. 2/5 of the students are boys. Okay, 12 of the girls say that they walk to school. Yes, is actually 93 marks. Yeah, that is true. I agree. Hello, hello, Envid or any vid. Sorry. Okay, 12 of the girls say they walk to school. 75% of the boys do not walk to school. Complete the two-way table. Okay, so step 1, let's work out 2/5 of 50. So 2/5 of 50, again, a fraction of an amount. We divide by the bottom and times by the top. Okay, so 50 divided by 5 is going to be 10, times it by 2 is going to be 20. So 20 students are boys. Okay, so 20 students are boys. So 20 goes there. That means there are going to be 30 girls, okay, because 20 plus 30 makes 50. Okay, then it says 12 of the girls say they walk to school. So 12 girls out of the 30 girls walk to school. So how many girls don't walk to school, guys? Can you let me know? How many girls don't walk to school? Hello, Mathsplex. Yeah, well done. Yeah, well done. That is correct. Yes, well done, Kyla. Good job. Hello, Mathsplex. Welcome, welcome. Okay, 30 minus 12 equals 18. Okay, well done. Yeah, oh, careful. Alia, not, yeah, it's careful. It should be 18. Sorry. Hello, Dina Vidunya. Welcome, welcome. No worries, no worries. Right, next one. 75% of the boys do not walk to school. Well, that's equal to 3/4. So 3/4 of 20. Okay, well done. Yep, no worries. Hello, Alex. Welcome back, my friend. So 3/4 of 20. Okay, we divide by the bottom and then times by the top. 20 divided by 4 is going to be 5. 5 times 3 is going to be 15. So 15 boys do not walk to school. So how many boys walk to school, guys? If the total number of boys is 20, what is my answer for this box going to be? Hello, Jamie Lee Fry. Welcome, welcome. Well done, Caddy. Yep, good work, Caddy. Good job. Well done, NEV. Welcome. Yep, good work, here. Good work, eh? Let me just actually change actually the color actually so you're able to see. Yep, yep. So 20 take 15 actually is equal to 5. Yeah, no worries, no worries. So this one, yeah, it is actually a practice paper, okay, from White Rose Maths, okay, and it's for AQA higher tier, okay. So this is just looking at some extra past paper, okay, yeah. So I got this here from the White Rose Maths website, okay. Hello, Ibby, welcome. Guys, if you're new around here, guys, yeah, please, guys, yeah, press that follow button if you can, actually, yeah, press that follow button if you can, okay, if you're new around here. Hello, D-Dar, welcome, my friend. Okay, so back to the question. Sorry, yep, so back to the question. Okay, oops, sorry, guys, I do apologize. Okay, hello, sorry, welcome. Okay, so now, how many walk in total, guys? Yeah, can someone let me know? Hello, Claire, hello, MD, welcome. Thank you, Joseph, for liking. Thanks so much, Joseph, for liking. Thank you, Joseph, for liking. Welcome, my friend. So how many walk in total? Kate, let me know. Hello, welcome, Kate. How many walk in total? Walden Cali, yep, spot on. Yeah, Walden Cali, yep, good job. Yep, it's going to be 17, okay? 5 plus 12 is going to be 17, okay? How many do not walk? You've got two options. That, that, or that, take away that, okay? Two options, okay? So how many do not walk in total? Well done, yep, good work, okay? Good work. Yes, good work, okay? Well done. Well done, Cali, yep, good job, Cali. Well done. Fantastic work, guys, okay? Again, two-way tables, okay? This is another classic question, okay? Okay, right, guys. I'll give you 5 seconds to screenshot. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, moving on. Okay, looking at some column vectors now. Okay, again, this is another classic question. Okay, so 9a. Okay, we're given that the vector A is minus 3, 7, and B is 0, 9. Work out 2A plus B as a column vector. So I'm going to have two lots of minus 3, 7 plus 0, 9. Okay, are we happy with that, guys? Does that first step make sense there? Okay, so I'm just subbing in the values of my vector. Does that make sense, guys? The love hearts, welcome. Okay, awesome. Okay, next step now is to expand these vector brackets. So 2 times minus 3 will be minus 6. And 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, so the signs stay consistent with that number. Okay, so the signs stay consistent, i.e., they stay the same. Okay, plus 0, 9. When I'm adding column vectors, I add the x components and the y components. Okay, so my final answer will be minus 6 plus 0 will be minus 6. And then 14 plus 9 is going to be 23. So my final answer is the vector minus 6, 23. Okay, and that is how to work out column vectors. Okay, again, this is another common question, okay, for GCSE maths, okay, higher and also foundation as well. Okay, for that. Okay, part B, draw the vector 2, 5 on the grid. Okay, so what does that actually mean, guys? So 2, 5 means I'm going to the right by 2. Okay, so positive 2, and I'm going to go up 5. Okay, so we go across 2. Okay, and then up 5, 3, 4, 5. So the vector that I need to actually draw personally, hello Sohan, welcome. So the one that I need to draw perfectly, so this is my vector 2, 5. Okay, I go across 2 and then up 5. Okay, remember Remember what these column vectors mean. This is going to be your x direction, and this is going to be your y direction. Okay, if x is positive, then it goes to the right. If x is negative, it goes to the left. If y is positive, then it goes to the up. If y is negative, then it goes down. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Let me know. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, 5 seconds to screenshot. Okay, hello, GC Revision. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Okay, five, four, three, two, and one. Hello, Brooklyn. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Okay, let's move on. Okay, right. Next question. So, looking at some stats here. Okay, a website asks customers to rate a product from 1 star to 5 star. The frequency table shows information about the ratings given by 20 customers. What was the mean number of stars awarded? Okay, so to work out the median, and I need to half the frequency. So half of 20. So what is a half of 20, guys? Can you tell me? What's a half of 20? Hello, Miss OX. Welcome, welcome. Well done. Yeah, well done, Kylie. Yeah, well done. Any vid, welcome. Yeah, well done. Yeah. Hello, Loveheart. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so I'm gonna do an accumulation. Okay, so I want to hit the number 10 or more. So I'll start off at 8. 8 plus 5, okay, is gonna be 13. So my median is gonna lie somewhere, okay, in this region here. Okay, are we happy with that? Okay, so my median is gonna be 2, okay, for the number of stars. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Because so the median share is going to be actually what I call actually a middle number. Okay, I want the 10th value. Okay, that will lie somewhere in this group here. Okay, because 13 is bigger than or equal to 10. Hello, thingy. Welcome, welcome. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Okay, awesome. Right, next part. Amir thinks that the range of the numbers of stars is 8 minus 0. Explain why Amir is wrong. Okay, so we've got 8, okay, which are 1 star. Okay, so we've got 8 which are 1 star. Okay. So yeah, we'll label this as like 1 star. Okay. So you got 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then you've got 5 2s. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you've got 4 3s. Then you've got 0 4. So you've not got any 4s. And then you've got 3 5s. Okay. So to work out the range, okay, it should be the biggest value minus the smallest value. So it should be 5 take away 1. Okay. Which is 4. Okay, that should be the correct range. Okay, range is biggest, take away smallest. Okay, it's the biggest number, take away the smallest number. Hey, does that make sense? Hello, Joel. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, Joel. Does that make sense, guys? Make sense? So he is wrong, okay, because we're not looking at the frequency, we're looking at the number of stars, okay? So we're looking at this number here, okay? So we're doing this subtract this, okay? Where did the one come from? Yeah, that's a good question. Yeah, so there are eight, okay, 1-star reviews. Okay, so that there are 8 1-star reviews. Okay, so I've put on there 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are 8 ones. Okay, so does that make sense now? Amy Khan, welcome, welcome. Okay, awesome. Right, guys, 5 seconds to screenshot. Hello, Cam Claire, welcome, welcome. Do I do see it? Do you see? I don't actually, okay, but if you're looking for that, then I would check out, yeah, a website called Corbett Maths, yeah. Okay, they've got a lot of resources, yeah, for SEA on this. If you check out Corbett Maths, okay, but this will still be relevant for SEA as well, okay? This is looking at regular GCSE maths. Okay, hello, I'm Claire. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. Do you know any TikToks who do it? Not that I know of. No, actually, yeah, no, I don't. Sorry, I apologize. If you search here, SEA GCSE, okay, something will come up here if that makes sense. Okay, sorry for not being actually much help there, but I do apologize. Okay, right, guys, let's move on. Okay, right, guys, next question. Okay, so slightly more tricky now. Okay, so it's getting a bit more tricky. Looking at some ratio, okay, and some algebra. Okay, so question number 11. Okay, circle the ratio that is equivalent to 3 to 4. Okay, so one option, okay, is divide both sides by 4. Okay, one, yep, okay, so you get 3/4 to 4/4, okay, which becomes 3/4 to 1. Well done, yep, well done, Trev, that is correct, yes. Okay, 3/4 as a decimal is 0.75. So our answer is 0.75 to 1. Okay, that's my answer for that one. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Make sense? Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, cool, cool. Right, next one. Looking at this double inequality or this compound inequality, okay, a bit more tricky. 12a, okay. Solve -7 is less than or equal to 2x minus 1, which is less than 5. Okay, show your answer on a number line. So step one, I'm going to add 1 to all 3 sides of my inequality. So I'm going to have -7 plus 1 is less than or equal to 2x minus 1 plus 1. Okay, that's going to be less than 5 plus 1. Okay, so I'm adding 1 to all 3 sides. Okay, that will go to -6 is less than or equal to 2x, which is less than 6. Okay, I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to divide all 3 sides of my inequality by 2. So I'm going to divide all 3 sides by 2, okay, to get x by itself. Okay, so we get -6 halved, which is going to be -3 or -3. Okay, is less than or equal to 2x over 2 goes to just 1x or just x, and then that'll be less than 3. Okay, does that make sense so far, guys? Hello, L2 Brizzy, welcome, my friend. Does that make sense, guys? Hello, Yusra, welcome, welcome. Someone said 0. Hello. 0 or 1. Okay. Okay, awesome. So it says represent your answer on a number line. So I'm gonna put my name is Shanti. Okay, hello Shanti. Hello Davina. Welcome. Hello Shanti. Nice to meet you, my friend. Okay, so it's gonna be a filled in circle because I've got the equal sign here. Okay, so more ink on the page. Hello Dot. Welcome. Okay, and it's gonna go all the way to 3. Sorry, yeah, it's gonna be a hollow circle at 3. No, this is actually higher. Hello, yeah, yes, the O2. Welcome. This is actually higher tier. Well done, yep. Spot on, okay, well done. Hello, S. Welcome. Okay, just make that a bit less thicker. Sorry, why did you add one actually? No worries, Kylie, just give me 1 second, sorry. Okay, so that's my answer for that. Okay, so you're about to be here actually. Yeah. So I wanted to get it, okay, so it's in the form x is greater than or equal to a number and then less than a number, okay? So step 1, I added 1 to each side actually. So this -1 goes, okay? Another definition, okay? I will let you know, Dot. Yeah, I will let you know. Okay, I will let you know. Hello, Harry. Welcome. Okay, hello, Davina. Okay, so we add 1 to all these. Yeah, to cancel out this -1 here. Okay, and thank you, Dot, for liking. Thank you, Davina, for sharing. Does that make sense, Kylie? So whatever I do to one side, I must do the same to all 3 sides of my inequality, okay? So step 1, I added 1 to both sides, okay? So this -1 goes. I then divided all 3 sides by 2, okay? And it gave me this. Okay, hello GCC Papers, welcome my friend. Okay, awesome. Okay, right, next part. Okay, so part B, solving an equation. Okay, again, a very common question. Okay, I sure we love you and love your content. Okay, thank you, my friend. I appreciate that. Thank you. So step 1, I'm gonna add 4m to both sides to get my m on one side. Okay, so that will go to 18 is equal to what is 2m plus 4m, guys? What is 2m plus 4m? Well, yep, 6m, correct. Yep, spot on. Okay, minus 3. Okay, hello, welcome. Hello, Angeli, welcome. I'm now going to add 3 to both sides. Okay, what is 18 plus 3, guys? Okay, what is 18 plus 3? Hello, user, welcome, my friend. Well done, yep, 21. So 21 is equal to 6m. I don't want 6m, I just want m. So I'm going to divide both sides by 6. So I'm going to get m is equal to 21 sixths. If I simplify that, okay, divide top and bottom by 3, I get 7 halves, okay? But again, you will still be given the mark, okay, if you do not simplify your answer, okay? Your answer is equal to 7 over 2 or 3.5, okay? Does that make sense, guys? Are there any questions? Okay, awesome. Okay, 5 seconds to screenshot. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, moving on. Okay, looking at some Venn diagram question. Okay, again, another hot topic here. Okay, particularly for the higher tier as well. Hello, Simon. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, Simon. Hello, hello. Okay, so 60 students, okay, were asked or are asked whether they like football or cricket. Okay, hello, Simon. Welcome, my friend. 15 students say they like both. Okay, 29 students like football, and 8 students like neither. Complete the Venn diagram. Okay, so being very obviously careful actually here in this question. Okay, so 15 like both. Okay, so that will go in the center. So 15 goes there. Okay, 29 students like football. Okay, I've got 15 there already. Okay, so 15 plus 14 makes the 29 there. Okay, does that make sense? Are we happy with that? Okay, cool, cool. Okay, 8 students like neither. Okay, so if it's neither, it goes inside the box but outside the circle. So 8 go here. Okay, the last part now is figuring out the number of people that like cricket. I screenshot now. You want to do it now? Sorry, or shall I wait until I finish? Hello, official Elijah. Welcome, my friend. Okay, awesome. No worries. Okay, no worries. Yep, no worries. Okay, so we know that there are 60 in total. So if we add up all these numbers, okay, and then take it away from 60, yes, I can zoom in. Yes. Sorry, yes. So I'm going to have 14 plus 15 plus 8. Okay, so that's going to be 37 when you work it out. Hello, Nemo. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. I'm now going to do 60, take away 37. Okay, using column subtraction. Okay, 0 take 7, I can't do so I need to borrow. Okay, 5, that goes to 10. 10 take 7 is going to be 3. 5 take 3 is going to be 2. Okay, so 23, yeah, like cricket. Okay, are we happy with that, guys? Thank you, Official Elijah, for liking. Thank you, Official Elijah, for liking. Hello, Shahida. Welcome, welcome. No worries, okay, no worries, okay. Right, I'll give you a few seconds to screenshot that. Okay, obviously it's a bit small. Okay, so 5. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, moving on. Okay, looking at some indices now. Okay, so again, some classic questions. Okay, question 14a. Simplify. Thank you for liking. Hello, hello, GC revision. Welcome, my friend. Okay, simplify 2n to the power of 5 all cubed. So that's going to be 2n to the power of 5 times 2n to the power of 5 times 2n to the power of 5. So what is 2 times 2 times 2, guys? Hello, Cam. Welcome, my friend. Well done, yep. Well done, Cal. Yep, spot on. Okay, so it'd be 8. Then I've got n to the power of 5. Yep, well done, GC revision. Yep, good work. Okay, it's hard to read the question. Oh, should I zoom in? Sorry. Is that any better? Sorry. Okay, so n to the power of 5 times n to the power of 5 times n to the power of 5. Because I've got the same base here, I can just add the powers. So, yep, well done, yep, excellent, yep. So it'd be 8n to the power of 15. Okay, and again, this is a classic, okay, Edexcel higher tier question. Okay, yeah, I've seen this question appear every single year. Okay, no worries. Yeah, no worries. Actually, no worries. Hello, Avery. Welcome, my friend. Hello, hello. Guys, if you're new around here, make sure you give us a follow, guys. Yeah, press that follow button, okay? And any gifts here are actually welcome today, guys, okay? Does that make sense, guys? Are there any questions? How do I full screen it? Do you know, Simon? How do I full screen it? Do you know? I want to remove this like little like taskbar here, okay? Anyone know like any ideas on how to like remove my anyone got any idea on how to remove my taskbar? Anyone know? If not, not to worry. Try F5. Just try. Oh no, that that'll be volume. Sorry. I want it to like the actual bar, like this part goes basically. But I've got no idea on how to get rid of that, like the actual like bottom part or the button next to the settings button. No. Where's the oh? There, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, no worries. Okay, right. The next part now, guys. Yeah, so next part. So simplify 5f squared times 4f to the 6 all over 10f cubed. Okay, bit by bit. So let's deal with the numerator first. So what is 5 times 4, guys? What is 5 times 4, please? Hello, Chloe. Welcome, Chloe. Hello. I hope you're well. Thank you for joining today. I appreciate that. Well done, guys. Yep, well done, Nemo. Well done. Yep, well done, GC Revision. Yep, well done. Is it any vid? Sorry, yeah. Hello, Kieran. Welcome, my friend. So 20, I'm going to go f squared times f to the 6. So I'm going to add the powers. So it'd be f to the power of 8. Okay, well done. Yep. Divided by 10f cubed. Okay. So next step. Okay, do deal with the numbers first. What is 20 divided by 10? Hello, the maths kid. Welcome, sir. What is 20 divided by 10? Well done. Yep, spot on. Yep. So it'd be 2. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract. This is actually higher actually. So this is actually higher, Kieran. Oh yeah. So this is actually a higher tier paper. Okay. So 2f to the power of 5. Okay. 8 take 3 is 5. Okay. So 2f to the power of 5. Okay. So this is actually from. Sorry. Yeah. This is a higher tier AQA, yeah, practice paper from White Rose Maths. Okay. For that. Okay. Sure. Some financial papers, yeah. That's true, yeah. Yeah, that's true. That is true. Okay, so, okay, that's that one there. Okay, right, next one. Looking at exact trig values. So circle the value of cos 60. Now, this is knowing your exact trig values. So cos 60 is the same as sine 30. Okay. Anyone know what cos 60 is? Well done, Callie. Yep, spot on, Callie. Yep, that is correct. Yep, spot on. Is equal to a half. Okay. So again, okay, so this is yeah, looking at exact trig values. Okay, there are some really good TikToks out there. Okay, looking at like the finger method. Okay, for learning exact trig values. Okay, so yeah, if you actually search on TikTok exact trig values. Okay, there are some awesome videos out there. Okay, that find ways to remember the exact trig values. Okay, for sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay. Again, learn your trig values. Okay. Hello, my friend. Welcome. Hello, Seb. I hope you're well, my friend. Okay. Thank you, Seb, for liking. Okay. So 5 seconds to screenshot. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's move on. Okay. Right. Next part. So looking at some fractional indices. Okay, and looking at some ratio. So Work out the value of 27 to the power of negative 2/3. Yes, it is actually high. Yes, hello, Russian. Okay, this is the AQA higher tier practice paper. Okay, for the non-calculated paper. Okay, this is higher tier. Okay, so looking at some negative fractional indices. Okay, so the negative does the reciprocal. So the negative makes it 1 over. So step one, I can write it as 1 over 27 to the power of 2/3. Okay. So the negative makes it 1 over, or it flips it in the case of a fraction. Okay. Does that make sense for step one? Hello, son. Welcome, welcome. Does that make sense, guys? Let me know. Okay, awesome. Right. What does this fractional power mean? Well, I do the root of the denominator and then I raise it to the power of the numerator. So I do the cube root of 27 and then I'm going to square my answer. So you do the root of the denominator and then you raise it to the power of the numerator. Okay, anyone know what the cube root of 27 is? Okay, so it's knowing your cube numbers. Okay, so anyone know what the cube root of 27 is? Yeah, well done, Envy. Yep, well done, yep. So yeah, 3. Okay, because 3 times 3 times 3 makes 27, or 3 cubed is 27. So it's 1 over 3, and then I'm going to square it. Okay, so my final answer is going to be what, guys? So yep, so it'd be 1 over 9. Okay, yep, or 1/9. Yep, spot on. Well done, Kylie. Yep. So 1/9. Okay. So the negative does the reciprocal, and then the fractional power means I do the root of my denominator, and then I raise it to the power, okay, of the numerator, okay? So this is looking at, yeah, some negative fractional indices, okay? Again, quite a common topic here on a higher tier non-calculated paper. Hello, I don't know. Welcome back, my friend. Hello, hello. I hope you're well. Thank you. I don't know for liking. Okay, well done. Okay, good work, guys. Okay, next question. Okay, so a box contains white chocolate, milk chocolate, and dark chocolate. Okay, 1/3 of the chocolates are white chocolate. 1/5 of the chocolates are milk chocolate. Write down the ratio for the number of white chocolates to milk chocolates to dark chocolates. Okay, so 1/3 of them are going to be white. Okay, so 1/3 actually are white. Okay, 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 and 1/5 are milk chocolate. Okay, okay. So the first step is to work out the remainder that are going to be dark. Okay, so dark chocolate. Okay, so I'm going to add my fractions and then take it away from 1. Okay, to work out or what fraction of dark chocolate I have. Okay, does that make sense so far, guys? Does that make sense? So adding fractions. Okay, I'm going to cross multiply. So I'm going to do this times this plus this times this plus this times this. Okay, so 5 times 1 is going to be 5. 3 times 1 is going to be 3. I'm going to times the bottom numbers together. Okay, 3 times 5 is going to be 15. Okay, so I'm going to get 1 subtract 8/15. So what is 1 take away 8/15, guys? Yeah. So what's my answer to this, guys? What is 1 take away 8/15? Yep, spot on. Yep, 750. Yep. I was thinking of. Okay, no worries, no worries. Oh, what did I click off? Sorry. What do you mean, sir? So 7/15ths, okay, are dark. Okay. So if I change all three fractions to make it out of 15, it'll be a bit more easier. So, okay, no worries, no worries. So I'm gonna times top and bottom of this by 5. So 5/15ths are white, okay, times top and bottom of this by 3. So I'm gonna get 3/15ths on milk chocolate, and 7/15ths are dark. Okay. So my final answer will just be 5 to 3 to 7. Okay. And that is my answer to that ratio question. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? Let me know. Hello, Dora. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Susanna. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Aofi. Welcome, welcome. Does that make sense, guys? Thank you for actually joining. I appreciate everyone joining tonight. I appreciate it. Does that make sense, guys? Let me know. Okay. So remember, yeah, some fraction work here, okay, and then equivalent fractions as well, okay. Hope that makes sense, okay. Are there any questions, guys? Are there any questions? Okay. So 5 seconds to screenshot, okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you, Ayofi, for liking. Thank you so much, Ayofi, for liking. Okay, next question, okay. Looking at some equivalency, okay. This, okay. So question 18. Work out the values of A and B in this identity. Okay, so 2 lots of AX plus 13, brackets closed, plus 4 lots of X plus B, brackets closed, is equivalent, i.e. the same as 10X plus 6. Okay, so step 1, expand the single brackets out. So 2 times AX will be 2AX. 2 times 13 be plus 26. Hello, P13, TR05. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so plus 26 plus 4 lots of X will be 4X plus 4 times B, which is equal to 4B. Okay, so this has to be equal to, i.e., the same as the right hand side. Okay, so now I can say that if I compare the coefficients of the X terms, hello, A-level GC business tutor, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. So if I compare the coefficients of the X terms, I've got 2A plus 4. So I've got 2A plus 4. That has to equal the coefficient on the right-hand side, okay, of X. So 2A plus 4 is equal to 10. Okay? That's step 1. Okay? I'm now going to compare the coefficients of the constants. I've got 26 plus 4B has to equal 6. So 26, okay, hello Victor, welcome, welcome. Plus 4X is equal to 6. Hello Dan, hates everything. Welcome, my friend. Is equal to 6, okay? Sorry, plus 4B, sorry, not 4X. Is equal to 6, okay? I can now solve each equation separately to work out the value of A and B, okay? So for this one, I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides. So we're going to get 2A equals 6. So if 2A equals 6, guys, what would A be equal to, please? If 2A equals 6, what would A be equal to? Yep, well done, Dory. Yep, well done, Lewis Pocket. Well done, my friend. Yep, spot on. So A is equal to 3. Well done, any vid. Well done, yep, good work, yeah, good work so far today. So A equals 3, and then let's work out what B would equal. Okay. Okay, so to work out B, let's obviously change color. Okay, I'm going to subtract 26 on both sides. Okay, well done, Lewis. Yep, that is correct. Yep, well done, Dory. Yep, hello, user. Welcome, my friend. So subtract, yeah, 26 on both sides. So we get 4b is equal to minus 20. Dividing both sides of my equation by 4, I get b is equal to minus 5. Okay, so a equals 3 and b equals minus 5. Okay, well done, Dory. Yep, good work. Okay, spotted. Okay, well done, Lewis. Good job, guys. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Okay, again, this is another common exam style question here, particularly on the AQA higher tier papers. Okay, so this is what I call equivalency. Okay, right, next question. Okay, awesome. Triangle ABC is shown on a grid. When triangle ABC is reflected in a line, the point B is invariant. Circle the correct line. Okay, invariant means that the point does not change after the transformation. Okay, so after the reflection, point B doesn't change. Now, if I reflect it in this line here, oops, sorry, let's do that again. Actually, sorry, yeah. Okay, so if I reflect it in this horizontal line, okay, B will not change. So what line is that, guys? Okay, hello, Katie Simmons. Welcome. So what line is that, guys? What is that horizontal line? Okay. So it's not y equals x. Okay. It's not x equals 1. Okay. Is it x equals 3 or is it y equals 1? Okay. Anyone know? What is my answer, guys? Anyone know? Hello, Ben. Welcome. So the answer, okay, for this horizontal line, okay, should be y equals 3. Okay. I think there is a mistake actually on here. Sorry. Okay. It'd be y equals 3. Okay. Oh, sorry, actually. Oh, sorry. Okay. This line also makes B an invariant point. Okay. So this line here. Okay. So it should be x equals 1. Okay. But y equals 3 also works, but that is not on the actual choice story. Okay. So that is my correct answer. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? So an invariant point means after the transformation has been applied, the point does not move. Okay, yeah, no worries, actually, Dorian, no worries. Okay, part B I can't do it here, but I'll try to talk through it here. Okay, because I haven't got a tracing paper actually on here. Okay, so part B, rotate ABC 180 about the point 10. Okay, so you get your tracing paper, you get your pencil there. Okay, you trace the shape. Okay, you put your pencil on here and you rotate 180, okay, clockwise or anti-clockwise, yeah, either way, okay. So you rotate 180 degrees, okay. That, okay. So the key to remember is you put your point, okay, on 10, okay. you rotate the paper, but you keep your pencil on that point there. Okay, that is really important. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? I'll give you just a second here to obviously screenshot that. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's move on, guys. Okay. So looking at some cumulative frequency here. Okay. So the table shows, okay, information about the ages of 80 people. Of age in years, we've got the frequency. Part A, complete the frequency, the cumulative frequency table. Okay. So the key here is we add up as we go along. Okay. So this is called an accumulation of the frequency. The first one's going to be 7. Okay. Next one will be 7 plus 13, which will be 20. Next one will be 20 plus 32, so that'll be 52. Then it'll be 52 plus 20, so that'll be 72. And then 72 plus 8 is going to be 80. Okay. And you can check your answer by looking at the frequency. So you got 80 people here. So we are correct. Okay. So we are correct there. Okay. So we add up here as we go along. Okay. Or go down. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Hello, Paul Jean. Welcome, welcome. Guys, if you're new around here, make sure you press that follow button, guys. Okay. My target is going to be 10K followers. Okay. That is my target. So press that follow button here if you're new around here. Hello, HC. Welcome, my friend. Okay. So 5 seconds to screenshot. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, thank you for liking. Let's move on. Okay, so we're gonna actually draw it now. Okay, so let's just remember that. Okay, so the numbers are 7, okay, 20. Okay, so I'll come back to this here. Thank you, Dora, for liking. Thanks so much, Dora, for liking. Okay, let's just do it here. So let's see if I can do it off 2 screens. Okay, so we plot at the end of our interval. Okay, so we plot at 10, 7. So we go across. So we plot at 10 and then it goes up at 7. So that'll be what? 2, 4. That'll be 2. It's a bit more actually. So I've got to zoom in actually a bit more to see it clearly. Okay. So 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So 7 will be roughly there. Okay. Obviously, on paper, guys, it's actually a bit more easier. Obviously, on the screen, it's a bit more tricky. Okay, so you plot this and this. Now we plot 20 by 20. Okay, we're going to plot 20 by 20. Hello, Jess. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Okay, we then plot 30 and 52. Okay, so we go across 30 and then we go up 32. Start to be that point there. Okay, I'll just put a little dot. Okay, and then we go again. We're going to go across to 40 and then up to 72. So across to 40 and then up to 72. So that'll be there because it goes up here. Each little square goes up in twos. And then finally, it'll be 50 and then 80. Okay. So 50 and then 80. Okay. And then you draw a nice smooth curve. Okay. Like this. And okay. Oh, sorry, did it say 52? Oh, sorry about that. I do apologize. Yes, you're right. Sorry, yeah. So it should be, sorry, that's my fault actually, yeah. So it should be somewhere here actually. So it should be here. Okay, let's just start that again. Okay, thank you, actually, Doria, for pointing out here. Thank you, Dora, for pointing out. Oops, let's just start again, actually. Let's just start again. Okay, roughly, it looks like this. Again, obviously, it looks something like that. Okay, roughly. Okay, hello. Oh, welcome, welcome. And thank you for the follows, guys. I appreciate the follows. Thank you for the 3 new follows today. Okay, use your graph to estimate the lower quartile. So the lower quartile is a quarter of your total data. In this case here, it'll be a quarter of 80. So what is a quarter of 80, guys? What is a quarter of 80? So a fraction of an amount. Well done, yep, spot on, yep. Well done, Dory, yep. Well done, Envy. Welcome, welcome. So I go across 20, and I go down. Roughly, I'm getting the answer of 21. Okay, roughly. Okay, that is my rough answer. Okay. Hello, Tamsin. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Okay, okay, right. Part B. Whitney says that 10% of the people are under 40 years old. Use the graph to explain why Whitney is incorrect. Okay, so it says Whitney says that 10%, okay, of the people are under 40 years old. Okay, 10%. So 10%, okay, of the total, so 10% of 80 would be 8. Okay. So it's saying that, okay, in fact, it's not that, is it? Okay. Because, yeah, because it's 72. Okay. So it's actually 72 80ths, okay, are under 40. Okay. Yes, you're right. Yes, that is right. Yes. Okay. So she was meant to say, okay, that 10% of the people above the age of 40, or over the age of 40, yes, yep, spot on, okay, yep. So it should be over, yes. So it should not be under, okay? It should be the word over, okay? Because under, we get this fraction here, okay? And this fraction is not equal to 10%, okay? That is my answer for that, okay? Right, guys, 5 seconds to screenshot, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, hello, Jack. Welcome, my friend. Yep. But okay. So, looking at some substitution, okay, into a quadratic, okay. Does the point minus 3, 6 lie on the curve x squared, okay, minus 5x? Justify your answer. So, does 6 equal negative 3 all squared, subtract 5 lots of negative 3, okay? So, let's work out, yeah, the right hand side, okay? I'm on position here. Position here. Can I get? Yes, you can, my friend. Yes, you can. Absolutely, yes. My advice for you here is just have a look here. So do past papers here, okay? That is my advice for you. Okay, do lots and lots of past papers. Okay, so minus 3 squared is equal to 9. That will equal to plus 15. So that's not true, is the key. So that's not true, okay? Because 6 does not equal 9 plus 15. So 6 does not equal, okay, to 24. Okay, therefore, minus 3, 6 does not lie on that curve. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Okay, awesome, awesome. This is actually higher, actually, Jermaine. This is higher tier, higher AQA paper, okay? Thank you, Tamsin, for liking. Right, question 22, okay, yeah, so it's getting towards like the, like the back end of the higher tier paper now. 3 congruent triangles are arranged in the form of a quadrilateral ABCD. Who the ABCD is an isosceles trapezium. Okay, so yeah, this is actually a bit more tricky, okay? So we've got this shape here, okay? We want to prove that this is an isosceles trapezium. Okay, so this is a bit of like a weird question, okay? So look at the triangles actually here, guys, here, okay? Are you happy here that AD equals BC? Are you happy with that, okay? Because we've got 3 triangles of equal length, okay? So that is equal to that, okay? Are we happy with that? Okay, awesome. Okay, we can then say, okay, that this angle is equal to this angle here, okay? So this angle, we'll call it X, and we'll call this X, okay? Got a dash there and a dash there, okay? Are we happy with that, guys? So let's put the lines in. Hello, EW, welcome, welcome. Hello, Mochi, welcome, welcome. So let's put some lines in, okay? Oh, sorry, it's wrong there, sorry. Should be here. Hello, Stu, welcome, welcome. Okay, we also know that these two sides are going to be equal, yeah? So these two sides here are going to be equal, okay? That is equal to that, okay? Are we happy with that? Okay, and actually, so from here, so someone says no, okay, so someone says no, okay, so Doris says yes, okay, because yeah, here, look here, so we've got 3 congruent here, so we've got 3 congruent equilateral triangles, okay, that are the same, okay, so that means that they all have actually the same length, okay, for that, okay, so we got D, A, B, C, okay, so AD equals BC, okay, let's call this, okay, the letter, I don't know, Z, okay, so DZ is equal to CZ, okay, thank you Mochi for liking, okay, so DZ is equal to CZ, which is also equal to AB, okay, so this length here is equal to this length here, which is also equal to this length here, okay, are we happy with that? Okay, so now we can say, okay, that we've got an angle, side, and an angle, okay? So we've got an angle, side, and an angle, okay? Now it's saying that prove that it's an isosceles trapezium, okay? So hello Jamie, welcome, welcome. So does that make sense, guys? Are we happy with that? Hey, hello Kurt, welcome, welcome. Okay, and that proves, okay, that it is in fact an isosceles triangle. Okay, that okay. You could also say, okay, as well, yeah, if you're gonna be a bit more, okay, that this angle is equal to this angle here. Okay, so that's equal to y, okay. We can call this one z, we can call this one z. So now we've got two sides and corresponding to angles that are the same, and then we've got two sides, another two sides, and two corresponding angles. Okay, so that definitely proves that I've got spot on. Yep, that is right, Dory. Yep, that is spot on. Okay, so top and bottom are parallel. Yep, spot on. Yep, oh yeah, that's right. Yep. So top and bottom, yeah. Okay, so yep, so top and bottom are parallel. Okay, are parallel. Okay, because the trapezium has one pair of parallel sides. Okay, and that the side lengths are all equal. Okay, so AB is equal to DZ, which equals CZ. Okay, and the AD is equal to BC. Okay, wait, what does that angle side angle mean? So that's for proving, okay, congruency, yeah, of triangles. Okay, so that was just to add to our proof there. Okay, for that. Okay, hello user, welcome, welcome. Does that make sense, guys? Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds to screenshot that. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, can I move on, guys? Yeah, can I move on? Okay, looking at some reoccurring decimals and simplifying surds. Okay, so question number 23. Okay, so we're getting there, guys. Yeah, we've got a few more to go, and then we'll finish up this paper. So write 0.123232323 as a fraction in its simplest form. Okay, so step one, let R equal 0.1232323, so on and so forth. Okay, I'm not going to work out what 10R is. So 10R is equal to 1.232323. Okay, 23 dot dot dot. Okay, I'm now going to work out what 100R is. That's going to be 12.3232232. Okay, dot dot dot. Hey, hello EIR. Thank you for sharing the live machine. Okay, I'm now going to work out what 1000R is. So times, by 10 again. It's going to be 123.232323. Okay, dot dot dot. Okay, so the 10R and the 1000R have the same number of decimal points. Okay, numbers after decimal point, so I can subtract them. Okay, if you look here, okay, they're the same. When I'm going to do edit search, so I'll do edit search at some point. Okay, I'm not sure when actually at some point I'll do it. Okay, but this is also appropriate. Yes, this is AQA. Yes, so this is actually AQA. Okay, practice set paper. Okay, but it's also appropriate for Edexcel higher as well. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. So I can now do this, take away this. So I'm going to get 990R is equal to this, take away this. So that'll be 122. Okay, because these numbers then cancel. Okay, divide it by 990. So we're going to get 122 over 990. Writing it in its simplest form, they're both even, so I can half it. So I'm going to get 61 over 495. Is that right, guys? Just double check here. Is that right? Okay. 61 is prime, so there are no more common factors, I don't think. Okay. Thank you, Dora. Yep, thank you, Dora. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay. So again, this is a super common question. Okay. So this is looking at reoccurring decimals to fractions. Okay. Again, a very, very hot topic for AQA, Edexcel, and OCR for the non-calculated papers. Okay. Okay, next question. Simplify the square root of 3 and 1/5, giving your answer in the form a root 5 over b, where a and b are integers. Okay, so step one, convert this into an improper fraction or a top heavy fraction. Okay, so 3 is equal to 15 fifths. So 15 fifths plus 1/5 will be 16 fifths. Okay, that's step one. When you square root a fraction, you square root the top and the square root the bottom. Okay. So what is the square root, guys, here of 16, guys? What is the square root, guys, here of 16? Anyone know? Hello, MJ. Welcome, welcome. Well done, NV. Yep. So we get 4 over root 5. Now at this stage here, okay, to get it into this form here, I have to rationalize. Yes, well done. Hello, sir. Welcome, welcome, sir. Hello, sir. Welcome, my friend. Hello, hello. Thank you, sir, for liking. Okay, I appreciate that. Thanks so much for liking. Okay, so I'm now going to rationalize the denominator. Okay, so I'm going to multiply top and bottom by root 5 over root 5. Okay, because I don't want a denominator that has a surd. Okay, so I'm trying to rationalize this. Okay, so 4 times root 5 will be 4 root 5. And then root 5 times root 5 is root 25, which simplifies to 5. Okay, so A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 5. Okay, and this is looking at some surds here. Okay, simplifying surds and rationalizing surds. Okay, again, another big hot topic here. Okay, for GCSE higher tier maths. Okay, especially if you're aiming for those grade 9s. Okay, so my final answer is 4 root 5 over 5. Okay, right, guys, 5 seconds to screenshot that. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so let's move on actually. So it's getting towards the end of the paper now. Okay, so yes, a bit more tricky here. So there are many more questions. We've got 25, 26. Okay, and then we're finished. Okay, so we've got 3 more questions to go. Okay, and then we're finished. Right, so looking at some shape. Okay, so question 25, guys. Okay, for that. Okay, so the area of a rectangle or the rectangle is less than 35 centimeters squared. Okay, part A. Show that x squared plus 2x minus 35 here is less than 0. Okay, so the area of a rectangle is length times width. Okay, so be x brackets x plus 2. Okay, now it says the area is less than 35 here. So this is going to be less than 35. Okay, are we happy with that, guys? So does that first step make sense, guys? Yeah, because that is quite important. Okay, does that first step, guys, yeah, make sense? Okay, so I'm forming a quadratic inequality. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, so yeah, is to expand the bracket. So x times x is going to be x squared. X times 2 is going to be plus 2x. Okay, that is going to be less than 35. I'm going to subtract 35 on both sides of my inequality. Okay, so I get x squared plus 2x minus 35. This yeah, this is actually higher. Sorry, yeah. So this is actually a higher tier AQA. So higher AQA. Sorry. No worries, no worries. Okay, so higher AQA. Okay, we get x squared plus 2x minus 35 is less than 0. Okay, as shown or as required. Okay, okay, no worries, no worries. Okay, so that's part A done. Okay, part B, find the range of possible values of x. Okay, so we're solving this quadratic inequality. Okay, again, this is actually grade 9 year stuff, which is a grade 9 stuff. Okay, so we've got a quadratic. Okay, so step one, guys, is to factorize the quadratic. Okay, and then solve it. Okay, so we want to know, when is this quadratic, okay, below the x-axis. Okay, yeah, so the x-axis. Okay, so we're going to step on this here. We're going to factorize. Okay, so we're going to have x plus 7 times x minus 5. Okay, because 7 plus minus 5 makes positive 2, and 7 times minus 5 makes minus 35. Okay, so does that make sense so far, guys? Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Hello, is it Petra? Welcome, welcome, or Petra, sorry. Welcome, welcome. Okay, awesome, thank you. Okay, right. So my solutions to the quadratic will be when x equals minus 7. Okay, so you reverse the sign, or when x is positive 5. Okay, so they are my two solutions. Okay, to the quadratic. Okay, so the quadratic. Okay, awesome, awesome. Hello, George. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. So the quadratic crosses the x-axis at minus 7 and positive 5. Okay, so something like this. Yeah, so something like this. Okay, so that is roughly my rough sketch here. It's not actually perfect there, but hopefully you're able to forgive me. Okay, so we've got minus 7. Okay, and 5. Okay, are we happy with that, guys? Does that make sense? Okay, stop me if you're unsure. Okay, so this is the process for solving any quadratic inequality. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, so here's the key now. We want to know, when is this quadratic below the x-axis? Well, it's below the x-axis, okay, in this region here. Okay, so it's below the x-axis, okay, when x is bigger than 7 and x is less than 5. Okay, so does that make sense, guys? Now, here is the last part, guys. Yeah, okay. So we're looking at a length. Okay, so can a length, guys, be negative? Hello, Dot. Welcome, welcome. Can a length be negative? No. Okay, so x would have to be, okay, between 0 and 5. Yeah, so x has to be bigger than, okay, 0, less than 5, okay, because that would satisfy, okay, this, okay, part here, okay? Because when x is obviously bigger than 0, okay, we've got a length here that is bigger than 0, okay? We've got 0 plus 2 here, or yeah, a number bigger than 0 plus 2, okay? So this would be my final answer, okay? So remember, we don't include any negatives because we cannot have a negative length, okay? So this would be my final answer, okay? Hello, Thomas. Welcome, my friend. Hello, hello. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Are there any questions? It's actually ending here in like 5 minutes here. It's going to end in like 5 minutes. It's going to end roughly. Okay, so 5 seconds to screenshot. Yes, spot on, Dory. Yes, that is correct. Yes, Dory. Yep. So 0 is less than x less than 5. Yep, as rectangle area must be greater than 0. Okay, so yeah, must be shorter ranges here further. Yes, spot on. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so yeah, it's a bit more tricky now. Okay, so looking at some circle theorems here. So again, another nasty topic. Okay, so question 26, guys. Yeah, so this is obviously the back end of the paper now. Okay, so yeah, got 2 more questions. Okay, right, question 26, guys. Yeah, it's a bit more trickier. Okay, so A, B, C, and D are points on the circle with center O. Okay, angle ABD is 40 degrees. AB equals BD, okay? And that's actually quite important here in a second, okay? Work out the size of angle BCD. So it wants this angle here, okay? Right, okay. So, so triangle ABD is actually an isosceles triangle, okay? Because AB equals BD, okay? So these angles are going to be the same, okay? So we're going to do 180 minus 40 and divide that by 2. Okay, so that'll be 140 over 2, okay, which is equal to 70. Okay, are we happy with that so far? Okay, so this will be 70, okay, and this will be 70. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, right. So can we work out any other angle? Okay, so we want to obviously work out this angle here and this angle here. Okay, now we know the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral, okay, add to make 180. Okay, so this is actually important. Okay, so this, okay, okay, plus all of this. Hello, Holly, welcome, welcome. Has to equal 180. Okay, and also this plus this has to equal 180. Okay, anybody guys here? Okay, so this, this is our four-sided here, so it's a four-sided shape here. Okay, right, that's key. Oh, sorry. So these two angles, okay, are going to add to make 180, and these two angles have to add to make 180, because opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add to make 180. Okay. So if this is 70, then that has to equal. So cyclic, yeah, sorry, yeah. So cyclic just means that it's a four-sided shape. Yeah, sorry, yeah. So cyclic, yeah, just means that it's a four-sided shape, okay, where all the points lie on the circumference of a circle, okay? So all 4 points lie on the circumference of a circle, okay? So, yeah, okay. So, okay, right, guys, just give me 1 second, sorry, yeah. Just, just, just give me 1 sec, sorry, yeah. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys, now we're back. Sorry, my question, sorry. Oh, sorry. 1 second, sorry. Sorry, guys, we are now back, guys. Hopefully you can hear me. Sorry, yeah. Okay, so, okay, so I've just obviously checked that shit, yeah, the actual marks image here. So this angle here, okay, it will be 180 subtract 70 degrees, okay, because opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add to make 180, okay? So our final answer is 110 degrees. This is 70, and then 70 plus something has to equal 180. So that angle has to be 110 degrees, okay? Are we happy with that, guys? Okay, does that make sense? Okay. So opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral, okay, have to add to make 180. Okay, awesome, okay. Right, 5 seconds to screenshot. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, last question for today, guys. Okay, and then we're finished. Okay, looking at equation of tangents. Okay, again, another grade 9 topic. Okay, yeah, okay. So the diagram shows an equation, okay, of a circle. X squared plus y squared is equal to 90. Okay, so it's equation of a circle. Okay, we've got minus 3, 9. Okay, hello, host, welcome. The tangent meets the circle at 3 minus 9. Okay, find the equation of my tangent. Okay, so step 1 is to work out the gradient of the origin to this point here. Okay, and then the gradient of the tangent will be the negative reciprocal. Okay, the origin, so we got 0, 0. Okay, so the gradient of this little purple, actually, or this pink line. Well done, Hus. Yep, well done, Hus. That is correct. Yep. Okay, so yeah, it will be the difference in y. So 9 take away 0 is going to be 9. Okay, divided by. No, sorry, 1 second. Sorry. Sorry. 0 take 9 Okay, sorry about that. Let me start again here. Sorry, I'll start again. Sorry. No, sorry, ignore me. Sorry, ignore me. Sorry, ignore me. Okay, there should be 0, take one on here. It should be -9 over 0 minus 3. So that's going to be +3. So I'm gonna get rid of here to be equal to -3. Okay, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, we've got 0 minus 9 over 0 minus 3. Okay, so we get -9/3, which is equal to -3. Okay, well done, Hus. Yep, that is correct, Hus. Yes. Hello, Maisie. Welcome back. Hello, hello. Okay, that means the gradient, okay, of the tangent is the negative reciprocal. So it'd be 1 over minus 3. So it'd be equal to +1/3. Okay. So this line here, yeah. So it's going to be y is equal to 1/3 x plus c. Okay. Does that make sense so far, guys? Does that make sense so far? So sah 1b0. Sorry. Does that make sense? I can do OCI at some point. Yes, hosts. Okay. I mean, this is still actually relevant for OCI here and also NXI here as well. Okay. Hello again, Maisie. Welcome, welcome. How do you get rid of here? Sorry. Okay, can you do this question? Maybe not tonight. Actually, I'm actually a bit tired. Actually, maybe not tonight because I've been live already from 6 till now. What? Or from 7 actually till now. Okay. Hello again, Maisie. Welcome, welcome. How did I get the gradient shear? Okay. So the gradient shear. Okay. So the gradient shear of a line. Okay. So the gradient shear. So it's what I call M. Okay. So the gradient is how steep the line is. Yeah. Is worked out by the change in Y over the change in X. Okay. So how far up I go, okay, and how far across I go, okay? Hello, Josh. Welcome, welcome. Hello, GC Science Boss. Welcome, my friend. Hello, hello. Okay. So if we look here, the gradient, okay, of 0, 0 and -3, 9, okay. So, hello, Simon. Welcome back, my friend. Hello, hello. So it'd be 9 minus 0, which is 9, divided by -3 minus 0. So it's going to be -3. So 9 divided by -3, a positive divided by a negative makes a negative, so it'd be -3. So that's my gradient of this line here. Okay, so this line here has gradient -3. Okay, does that make sense, sir? Well done, Dora. Yes, well done. Okay, awesome. Yes, awesome, awesome. Okay. We then said that a tangent meets the radius, okay, at 90 degrees, i.e., the gradients must multiply to make -1. Okay, in other words, okay, this line here, okay, so this line here, okay, is the negative reciprocal of this line here. Okay, so it'd be 1, so it'd be 1/3. Okay, that's the gradient here of this line here. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Hello, Abdul Butter, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. I hope you're well, by the way. Hello again, Simon. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so the last part is to sub in the coordinates to work out what C is. So we got 9 is equal to 1/3 times -3 plus C. Okay, this simplifies to -1, so we got 9 is equal to -1 plus C. Okay, so what would C be? Hello, Patricia. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. So what would C be, guys? What would C be? Yeah, well done, yep. So add 1 to both sides. So C is equal to 10. So my equation of my tangent, okay, is y equals 1/3 x plus 10. Okay. Well done, Dory. Yep, spot on. Well done, Patricia. Well done. Yep, it is 10 years. Well done, guys. Okay. So, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? This is AQA, yep. So this is AQA higher tier, yes. Yep. Okay. But it's also relevant for Edexcel higher tier and also OCR higher tier as well. Okay. Okay. So again, this is a very, very, very common question here. Okay. So yeah, okay, revise here, okay, equation of tangents, okay. Does that make sense? Hello, I love my GF. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Because I don't know. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay. Guys, if you're new around here, please, guys, yeah, press that follow button, okay? So press that follow button, guys, okay? If you're new around here, please. Okay, and help me get to 10K followers, guys, okay? 15 minutes. Hello, hello. Hello, welcome, welcome. So press that follow button, guys, yeah, okay? Before we finish tonight. Hello, my friend. Hello, hello. Hope you're well, okay? We're just actually, we're just actually finishing, actually, now. So we're actually just actually about to wrap up now, okay? So does that make sense, guys, okay? Are there any questions? Okay, yeah, no worries, actually, no worries. Awesome. Thank you so much, Dora. Thank you. That is actually so kind of you, Dora. Thank you so much, Dora. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, that is okay. Thank you for liking. Okay, thank you for almost 4K likes. You smashed the key. Awesome, awesome. Okay. Are there any questions tonight? Okay, nice one, buddy. I appreciate that. Nice one, buddy. I appreciate that. That is actually very kind of you. I appreciate that. Okay. So, any questions, guys? Yeah, just obviously let me know. Okay, but that is today's paper done. Okay, and it was an AQA, obviously a higher tier non-calculated paper. Yeah, what time? Okay, no worries, no worries. Yeah, at the minute, yeah, I actually go live here at like random times this year of the day this year, but I'll let you know. Okay, thank you so much here for the follow. Okay, so make sure, yeah, Patricia, to give me a follow, Patricia. Okay, yes, I do. Okay, so on the next live, I'll look at a Edexcel higher tier paper. Okay, and it's still obviously relevant for other examples. Okay, and I'll do OCR higher tier as well. Okay, and also foundation year as well. Okay, but are there any questions, guys? Thank you for the follow. Thanks so much. Yeah, thank you, Patricia, for the follow. And thank you, my friend, for the follow. Hey, thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. Thank you very much for the follow. I appreciate that. Thank you. Right, guys, I'll now say goodbye. How often do we go live this year? So I try and go live if I can, yeah, once a day actually if I get chance, yes. So once a day if I get chance, okay, probably more, yeah, in like the evening, yeah, so like evening, yeah, or like late night actually, I'll see, okay. But I'll make an announcement either on my story, okay, or I'll put up a post here for times I'm going to be live. Okay, is that okay, guys? Hello, Poppy. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Okay, but guys, yeah, I will now say goodbye here. So thank you so much, guys, for actually coming tonight. Okay, and I'll see you all very soon. Okay, bye for now. Okay, bye for now, guys. All the best. Thank you, Simon. Yeah, thank you, Simon. Okay, no worries, Patricia. No worries. Okay, see you soon, guys. Okay, bye for now. Okay.